Hey, my name is Nicole Fiore, and I roller skate. You know the old school roller skates, 2 in front, 2 in back? Yeah, those ones. I'm gonna be teaching you how to roll and entertaining you along the way. Come roll with me. Hello. I would like to start off by saying that this entire outfit is brought to you by the 70s. Today we are going to talk about this sexy walk on TikTok that Anna has made super popular. I've gotten a ton of questions about it, and I would like to address it today. I'm here to break it down. This walk. You have to be able to balance on one foot at a time for this walk. For a split second, but you will have to balance on one foot. So when you're starting this process, I want you to just start balancing on each foot. Just take a moment and put all your weight on that foot, all your weight on that foot. You also need to know how to roll backward in order to do it like Anna. So practice your backward skating. I have a tutorial right here. Get a hang of that first. Once you're used to transferring your weight to each foot, and if you know how to skate backward, combine the two. So you'll skate backward and just step, step. Plus that could be a cute step too. Just stepping. Nothing wrong with that. You don't have to go super fast on this. You can actually do this standing still, but if you want to do it traveling, how Anna does it, you will need to know how to skate backward. The key to this walk, it's not like you're actually walking normal with your feet apart. You're actually replacing the foot that was just on the ground. So if my right foot is on the ground and I'm replacing it with my left, I'm going to step in line. Luckily on this floor, I literally have a line where the wood comes together. So you actually place it in front of the other one, pick the other one up, then replace it again. So you're actually stepping in a line. That is the key. I've seen a lot of people try to do it and it's like stepping like this. Make sure you're not walking like a normal person. You're walking kind of like a supermodel in a line. Straight line down a runway, basically. Try that. Take your time transferring your weight. Don't make it cute yet. Just figure out how to step in line while traveling backward. You can try it standing still, but you'll start walking forward like I am. So if you get a little bit of speed, try to step in line, step in line, step in line. I'm going uphill this way. If I go downhill, I might actually roll. I slipped. The thing that you need to really practice is committing to it and putting your weight on that foot. That's why you have to be comfortable standing on one foot and changing feet. So you go here, I'm starting on my right foot, I'm placing my left skate down, putting all my weight onto that left skate, picking the right one up, putting all my weight down into that right skate. And then when you are picking them up, make sure you're not going like, whoa, whoa, like that. You don't want to go around. You want to pick it up and kind of bend that knee to put that foot down again. So you want to get that bending motion. So it's like a bull. So yeah, you want to put it in line, put all your weight on it, then pick this one up. Don't kick your wall like I just did. Bend the knee, replace it, put all your weight, bend the knee, replace it. Then comes the sexiness. So you obviously don't want to be looking down. There's not much sexy about this. And hunching over. So if you need to work on your posture, here's a tutorial for you. But, excuse me, the sexy factor. You want your body to be up. You want your chest up. You don't need to be like obnoxiously up like I typically am. Just up, confident. You want your chin up, your eyes up, and not up. Your eyes should be level. Key there. And looking at your camera, if you have one, you should be staring into the camera. Now, I think the sexiness comes with your hips. Your hips will do this motion. So you'll be pulling your hip back, kind of out and back, out and back. So Shakira goes up and over. This one goes out and back, out and back. So as you step, you put your weight into that foot, but the hip goes out and back, out and back. This is harder to explain than I thought. So if you put the left foot down, as you pick the right skate up, your left hip will go back. Ooh, it's hard to do it standing still. Boom, boom. Along with the hip, you can copy that motion with the shoulders. So your entire body will go that way, that way. So you're here, back, back. I'm gonna exaggerate this, but hopefully you get this motion, this motion. I'll do it this way too. Boom, boom. If you wanna look with it, cool, because then you can be like, I see you, I see you, I see you. I just realized something. This is traveling backwards. So this walk is really good going backward. If you want to travel forward with it, it looks a little not as good going forward. If you want to travel forward and do a walk, you should follow my strut and pose tutorial. I'm sorry that I keep linking tutorials, but like, I have a lot of information on here now. It's very exciting. But you can do forward on your toe stops. And it's the same kind of motion. I literally explained it in this. It's the same kind of motion, but because you're on your toe stops, on that one you have to turn it out a little bit. This one I think is easier, honestly, because you are just putting your wheels down. You don't need toe stops. You don't need to turn anything out. It's all in line. Another key thing, when you put your foot down, put it down softly. You don't want to like clunk it down. It's not as cute. So put it down slowly. Figure out how to put it down softly. So it's not like, so let's go over that again. First step, transferring your weight, get comfortable on one foot. Second step, rolling backward. And you don't even need to do scissors, cross pulls. You can literally just roll. If you get enough speed, if you push off of something even, if you're just doing this for a TikTok or whatever, push off of something and then do it. To stop, you will need, or run into the other wall, either way. Okay, so then after that, you need to figure out how to step in line. Then after that, picking up the back foot in a way that's not crazy. Then figure out your posture and everything like that. After that, move the hip and shoulder, and then you're on your way. So if I push off, that one, if you notice, I kind of let my butt go like this and I bent forward a little. If that happens, you can recover really well by doing like a little pivot or something, like bend over, make it a thing, pivot out of it, and then keep going. Oh, that's cool. If you went here, bend over, pivot, go the other way. Wait, that's tight. Oh, I like that. That's it. That's the tutorial. That's the sexy walk that everyone's about on TikTok right now, thanks to Anna, who is super adorable. Do follow her if you don't already. You probably do because she has like over 1 million followers now. Bye guys, keep practicing, keep rolling, have fun, and I'll see you later. Well, that was fun. It'd be real tight if you liked this video, and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Okay, bye. That's all.